Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute little bunny rabbit. Alrighty, so I'm going to start by drawing the bunny rabbit's little eyes. So I'm going to draw two little ovals, and got a little circle at the top of those ovals, and then you can color in the rest of it. Okay, so this is a little bit hard to see right now where I'm just using pencil, but I'm going to, after I'm done sketching everything out with my pencil, I'm going to go over everything with a black marker, and it'll be a lot easier to see then. So I'm just drawing the top of his head. It's like a little curved line. And then here at the bottom between his two eyes, I'm doing a little triangle shaped nose. Okay, and then I'm doing a little wave kind of shape for his little mouth, his happy little smile. And then I'm going to give him kind of two little wide cheeks, so almost like brackets here. And then he's got two great big bunny rabbit ears. One bunny ear, two bunny ear. Okay, and then the insides of those ears, another oval. Okay, and I'm going to give them little bunny whiskers, just little lines. Now I'm going to draw this bunny holding a flower, so I'm going to do a little circle for the middle of the flower, and then almost like a what kind of shape do we have here? Almost an oval, but not a totally complete oval. So an oval without the very bottom part. And we're going to do that shape the whole way around this circle. So these are the petals of our flower. Alrighty. Okay, so now I'm going to do a curved line, like a C. There's going to be one little hand holding the flower, and then another little hand holding the flower, going with his other arm. Okay, I'm going to do a little line right here for his little bunny elbow, and same over here, other little bunny elbow. Now, I'm going to come down here, a bit of a curved line. It's going to be his back, and right here, we're doing a little curve and connecting to the back. Now we're going to do a line coming from under that arm to right here, his little bunny belly. And then right here, we're doing another curve, almost like another C shape for his other little leg. Now he needs a foot. So, a little line like that. Give him a toe. And then bring it back there, connect it to the rest of the foot. And we're going to do the same over here, give him his other little bunny foot. Okay, now I'm going to give him a big floofy bunny tail. So that's real big, real floofy. Okay, now I'm also going to give him a few little strokes of grass here, just lines. Okay, so maybe he's in a field, maybe he's in the forest, and I'm going to give him a few hearts too, because this little bunny wants to spread lots of love. Alrighty, so I'm done my drawing, and I'm going to go over all my lines with a black marker. So we might speed up this part just to make it a bit faster. Alright, so now that I have everything lined with a black marker, I'm going to take an eraser and erase all my pencil lines. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some color, and we might speed up this part too, just to make it a bit faster. Now the colors I'm using, you don't have to use these colors if you don't want to. You can use whatever colors you want. Alright everybody, so I hope you enjoyed our drawing of our sweet little bunny rabbit. I think he turned out pretty cute. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of him, and also please feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you would like to see in our next Daily Doodle. Alright everyone, I hope you had fun drawing, and I hope you have a really, really great day, and I will see you next time. Bye!